Testing trucks versus cars. One line cars, only one vehicle could plow these vehicles to cars. That's what I say cars. Right? Let's go. Beginning here, I decided to use this. You'd be like, Nathan, this thing ain't gonna plow these cars the most. I know, but listen, I need to know. Okay, give me a break. Let's do this. Let's not do that thing again. I'm never using this thing again. Ever. You just plowed one vehicle. Right. Let's get wheel truck. You thought I'll pick a wheel truck? Thought I'll actually pick a wheel truck? I have to pick the Russian vehicle for last. What's happened? That's a amount of fairness. I need to trade real quick. What happened? Yeah, this is not the driver. I mean, this is not the vehicle. Yeah, let's try again without actually being Russian-demic. I use this one. Right. I don't think I want to use them. Oh, shut up. Yeah. Let's break it, truck. I bet it's a joke. I can get much speed from that. No way. Oh, I was going to say the backwards of this thing is really good. Okay, let's go. Thanks. What just happened to this truck? And even with that, it still doesn't do anything. This is not the right vehicle for this. I'm running out of ideas. Let me use this one. I need something that has the most speed, has some control points, and let's use the honest spiky vehicle. The only spiky truck is kind of good without it. Alright, you better do it. Let's do this. Whoa! Okay. Okay. You plowed 3 vehicles. Yeah, I'm not trying that again with that thing. Let's use a real truck, like the plow truck. The plow truck that I didn't use before is kinda good from GTA and this game. Let's try this again with a little less screw up. resisting do. Get your run out of these. I'm just going to let this do because I want the video to start and get the other ones. It missing anything. Alright, use this. One or try. Oh my god, that looks like a motorcycle, but it's a car made out of motorcycles. That thing, that damaged car, is just destroying everything. You know what? Best use a spiky vehicle. Actually, real quick, I need to know, okay? I know I said I really need to use this legendary vehicles. We'll have to give them a try at least. Maybe they'll win something. Just one. That's no damage to the car. Alright. Let's try and be serious around here. If you want to go to McDonald's, try and go to Spike McDonald's. You don't know what it is? Well, I'll show you. It's called Death. Oh yeah! You might not count it on if you need all your speed. If I did not use speed, then this will not be happening. That's a problem with all that speed. We're back, bro. Alright, over there. Oh my god, I am missing. I didn't do any speed anyway. Still going. There you go. Let's try to practice thing as well. Well, I plowed cars and cars plowed me. That's not so bad, or it doesn't make any sense. Anyways, hope you can like this video. See you next time. See you much love.